in market structure,
Yeah.
is there something I should be aware of that's different in trading oil and gold compared to the US?
Gold, if the volatility is higher, you want to make sure that you trade the wider levels.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's what so you definitely, if you do the micro levels on gold, you got to make sure the volatility is not so high. If it's higher, you're just gonna get your head ripped off. On oil, uh, oil seems to be very nice with structure, both major and minor levels. Um, but if it's volatile too on oil, you could definitely get your head ripped off there too. But I don't see anything different. Like you can clearly see structure play itself out on both gold and oil. Like you, you see how we have structure levels here,
Mm-hmm.
a level of resistance 86.5. You can see that when the market comes, if I were to like structure it out, you're looking for the same thing. You see that double top,
Mm-hmm.
1 and 2, same structured movement. Sometimes though, like if it's not holding the level cleanly, then I would just leave it alone. But once you see like something happen, 1, 2 touch, that's a good area for a short. Structure is pretty much the same on any chart. What happens though is when the markets become more volatile, we end up um, overdoing it. So you just want to
Mm-hmm.
make sure that if the market is more volatile, you try not to play too much of the micro levels on gold and oil because they can start to really whip right through levels.
Mm-hmm. So you think there's an opportunity on oil right now if it holds a support?
Uh, it's a little bit underneath my level of support. I think it
Mm-hmm.
may be trying to head down. Ideally, I like it to be on top. You see how we have this nice bounce and then close on top of the level?
Yeah.
See how it closes on top of the level? Now that the market is like below this area, I probably wouldn't be looking for the long. I'll just let it come down to its next levels.